this case consider the issue of income from personal services and whether or not a payment made to an employee by his employer to subsidise his income after he enlisted in the armed forces during the Second World War was assessable as income. In this case, a man enlisted into the army and served in the Second World War. His employer had promised all of its employees that it would make up the difference in their pay if their wages from the Defence Force were less than their wages would have been at work. The employer paid an additional amount to the man, and the Commissioner sought to assess the man on this money. The man objected to this and argued that the payment from his former employer was a gratuitous payment and was not for services rendered to the employer. The Commissioner argued that since the definition of income from personal exertion was very wide, that it included such a payment, and the relationship between the employee and the employer remained. In addition, the Commissioner argued that the money came to him both because he had been and still was an employee of the employer. The central issue for the court was whether the payment was given to the man in his capacity as an employee, and was it assessable as ordinary income. The court